Hey guys, welcome to today's adventure. Before we get started, please subscribe to this channel. Ring that notification bell, and if you like what you see here today, give this video a big old like and a thumbs up. It really does help the channel. Now, here we go.
Have a seat.
And here it comes.
Once you have a seat, it's ready right back.
Thank you. And plop down. Like that, we're off.
All right.
Ah, now we can relax.
Nice relaxing
Now
time.
you got something to put your feet, Kay? Put your foot on the bar there. Can you reach it? Yep. Now we can chill.
Mine aren't falling off because
Remember,
I
I told him last time we were here, me, him, and Bot did it. And you markered on it. Yeah, we can never get Mom to do this one.
Oh, really? She doesn't like it? You're never that far off the ground
I told her.
here.
I said, as you're climbing the hill, it's not like...
Oh, you could. If you fell off.
Well, if you fell off of this, you're doing something you shouldn't be doing.
Yeah, yeah. That's for sure.
Why was not?
Just letting somebody get on. This cable here, I'll bet you is rated to handle 50 times what it has on it.
Yeah.
I mean, that is just massive.
Strong cable.
Mark, what was that? What was that one called again? Was it Stratosphere? The one that dropped us?
Yeah,
Yeah. I'm gonna remember that one.
yeah.
Now, would the girls get on that one?
No, Pete gets on it with me, but
Pete will get on it.
yeah.
Chris, no way.
No, none of the girls would.
Even I sat down, like, yeah, nothing. As we got about 75% up, I'm like, looking down, I'm like, whoa.
It kept going, didn't
That's
it?
a long
Yeah,
way.
it just kept going. That's part of the,
Yeah,
it
the
builds the
suspense,
intimidation
yeah.
and suspense, yeah.
And then you're like, I want to get off
Well,
right
no,
now.
when it drops so hard and so fast, and the ground's coming so quick, you're like,
And
you
we're
don't know
not,
how it's gonna get
yeah.
stopped.
And your feet fly out.
Yeah, yeah. Up in here for some beer, man.
Oh, I would feel bad if it snapped and then it hit someone's
Yeah,
face.
see all these, the way they put these in, they put that in for rain diversion. So this all does, you know, the rain don't come straight down this hill and just erode all this out. That, and it looks like so people can get up here as well.
This would be a heck of a training run too.
Oh my gosh.
Up and zigzagging up the hill.
Holy smokes, would it be?
And then you would have to jump that right there or walk over it.
No, it goes out right near them woods. It just keeps doing this.
Zigzagging back and
Switchbacks.
forth, yep.
Switchbacks all the way.
Jen can watch the video then.
Yeah.
She'll be like, why was I scared of that ride?
That person didn't make out too well.
See him dangling from a tree trunk up
Yeah.
there.
Big water tanks.
Do you have to edit the videos then too?
Yeah. Yep. Gonna get on the small coaster, Cosmos Curves, with me. You can ride with me.
That's the small one.
That's
I
the other
like that one.
one we saw on the way in. It's a little kiddie coaster.
I like that one.
That way you can yell and scream and then hear yourself on YouTube.
Crank it up here. This is where I screamed.
Like Dustin on Haunted Mansion said,
Yeah.
I'm gonna scream so I can hear my... He didn't make a noise on that ride.
I didn't make a noise on the roller coaster. What was it called?
On Phoenix?
Yeah.
Yeah. So would you get on Phoenix again?
I don't know.
You were pretty brave to get on there, man.
Good.
Twister was a bit of a more
Yeah.
different challenge there.
Yeah, Twister was pretty serious.
Which was worse? Like,
They're just totally different. The first one kept you up out of your seat airtime. This one kept you pinned to the sides, like hard.
Yeah.
Hard G's to the sides.
Ooh.
Good laterals.
There we go. Really, really good. It's like a car when you're accelerating really fast. You can't even pull your head out of the seat. You're like, ugh.
Yep. Pinned off to the side.
Yes.
Why did they have to stop?
Well, some people, did you see those people that were in front of us? They couldn't get on. There was 4 of them. They couldn't get on that fast. So
Yeah.
she had to really slow it down for them.
Yep.
So.
Almost at the top. Are we gonna go to Graffiti Highway?
I don't think we'll have time today, buddy. We will come back at another time, though. Remember we were talking about on the way? So when it gets cooler out, come up. We can come up. We can eat at Bruiser's, or we can eat down at there's a nice restaurant right down there in Ashland.
Are we gonna take Uncle Mark with us?
Down below the Pioneer Tunnel. There's a nice restaurant down there.
Will we take Uncle Mark with us?
Yeah, if they want to go, they can come.
We're gonna do a
Come up and see.
video.
Do the
Graffiti
Centralia
Highway.
thing
Yeah.
or something. Yeah, that'd be cool.
Would
Sometime in October would be great to do that. Nice and cool.
Would you do a video on it?
I mean, if we did,
yeah,
did it
if
at
there's
the right
anything
time,
cool.
we could even do the Yingling tour.
You know,
I mean, you're right here.
yeah.
It's all
And make
close.
you can do all that in one day too.
Do the Yingling tour.
Yeah. One thing about here at Knoebels at Halloween, their Halloween program is awesome here. Like it's all decorated out.
Yeah, we've never been up here at Halloween.
Plus then
You gotta try that, Ken.
they'll have a lot of Halloween kind of like theming and food and stuff. It's really well done.
But yeah, every year we've gone to Disney. It's been the same time.
Dad, you said if you go to Centralia and you step on the ground, you can still feel it burning.
Yeah, spots in the ground where the ground's cracked, but still
Is there any smoke coming?
steam. I mean, there's a few spots that they're much harder to get to. I mean, I know how to get to them. I know where
See
they
that?
are.
Monitored by video.
Mm-hmm.
I think before that they used to have a ride op up here who'd have to
Oh yeah,
sit and watch people.
yeah.
Like, hey, for the next 2 hours, you gotta
Yeah.
be at the top of the trudge up that hill. And down we go.
There's a lot of better spots where you can actually see big holes in the ground and the ground actually burning, but I don't know how to get there on a dirt bike. I don't know how to walk in from roads. I mean, it would be
Yeah.
a very long walk.
Because they don't prohibit people, they just discourage
Discourage
people,
it, yeah.
people from, yeah.
Yeah.
So then how would we go?
Well, Graffiti Highway is easy. That's right off 60. I mean, you literally pull up and you walk there. You're right at it. But I know 4 or 5 other spots that are in the woods. That
At the
I don't know how to
mountains.
get to by road. Yep. That's what
Rebecca,
you do.
how do you get off of this?
Yeah,
You
that guy
don't?
lives 2 mountains out.
Are you
What did she say?
She's gonna break herself.
I thought Dustin won killing this baby.
Yeah. He could handle this one. He might be getting tired. It's
Yeah, I'm sure he probably is.
It's at pushing toward 4 o'clock probably, so. I wonder how they end up with all these empties.
Yeah.
Maybe the line just died.
Maybe these people missed the first 4 or
Yeah.
5.
They stumbled and fell.
That one.
And you can see those people.
Yes, riding mower up here.
Tell some kid, go up there and
Yeah.
mow the hill.
We got the middle deck.
If
Look-
they didn't, it would be touching our feet right now.
Look at that, man. You can see. There
Awesome
goes
view.
Twister going over the top.
Yep.
And you can see the roller coaster.
Pool. We just walked past that pool, Kay.
Are you gonna
Oh,
make
dude,
this your video cover for this?
That wouldn't be a bad one, would it? It's a nice
We gotta
view.
do the flume.
Yes, we
We
do.
gotta do the flume, man. We can't
Yep.
come up here and not do the flume. Hopefully that line's getting shorter.
And Uncle Mark.
It was long earlier, man.
Video recorded that one too. What's that one that looks like a slide?
I don't think that's the flume.
That's the Skloosh flume.
Okay.
That's one where you get drenched.
All right, yeah.
The flume is
Yeah, I
up
don't
by
need to get drenched.
up by Phoenix where we were at. But you're right, that line was crazy up there.
it's- I'm already getting a little wet. I don't need to be drenched though.
Yeah.
There's the one moving up there.
Yeah, it's sticking out up there. Doesn't look that tall from here, does it?
Probably about at its height right now.
Yeah, we're still above it. I bet you when we come out of these trees, we'll be. Look how far we're still above the main ground, man. We're still pretty.
It's good ways.
We're good ways up. Watch when we come out from these trees and look straight over. I bet you we'll be about even with it. I think we're still above it.
Yeah, I think so too.
Nana won't post this.
I'd say about right here. About right there, we're even with it.
Yep.
About where you'd be, right here.
Does Nana do this one?
Nah, it's on this one. See what like any heights
We'd bring the kids on here with us when they were really little, like 4 and 5.
Really?
And you got to hold on to them.
Yeah.
Because there's no.
Yeah.
They
Hold on.
slip right on out.
What about me? Could I slip right out?
Yeah, right now we're about even with that Ferris wheel.
And we're about even with the roller coaster.
Yep. Except we're not going straight down, thankfully.
So what's the flume called that gets you soaked?
The Skloosh.
That sounds like
Skloosh is the sound that made me.
Yeah.
Oh, Dad, they do have the boat ride still.
Oh,
See it?
yeah.
Yeah, they have that one. They used to have that one where you could kind of free go out in a pond and
Yeah.
bump into each other.
Oh,
Bumper boats, I think they called it.
okay.
That's the one I was talking about.
Oh, is it?
This one, yeah,
It's
they,
like a little gondola ride.
yeah,
Little motorboats.
can get on that then. So there's the kid coaster, Kay. We'll get on that.
That's the little. Oh, you went on that one when you were like 5 or 6.
Yeah.
That little one that just comes, does this little thing.
I like how the boat ride goes right underneath it.
Yeah.
We'll have to see how the line is for flying turns later, Brett.
Yeah.
That's that bobsled coaster up there near the first aid place where we were at.
Like how that person was on the phone back there. We're gonna drop it, and then they'll be gonna say, "Ah,
Yeah, you wouldn't be happy if you dropped it here.
no!" Because it could drop on a car, it could
Oh,
drop
yeah.
on the pavement, and then the car could run over it.
Dogs.
Doggy!
Got 3 of them. Bring Jack up here. He'd be crazy.
No, he'd be going nuts.
For about an hour, then he'd say, I need a nap.
Find me some shade and some water.
Yeah. Get me some French fries.
Is he allowed to eat French fries?
No, too greasy for a doggy. He'd eat them though. He'd love them.
Oh, you can chomp.
That does it for today's adventure. If you're new here, please subscribe. Take it one step further and ring that notification bell. And if you enjoyed today's video, please give it a big old like and a thumbs up. It lets me know you care. I'll see you in the next video. Ride on.